Welcome back to another episode of 2 Minute Deposits. Chad Smith with
Mike Eklund.
my normal co-host
Yes,
is
I'm
back
back
this week. And this week we're diving into a topic that we get a lot of questions about, and it's employee stock compensation.
Exciting.
It is
Isn't it
exciting,
exciting?
right? Because it can be one of those things that really builds for people. I referenced during our podcast episode, it's sometimes out of sight, out of mind for people, and they know it's happening, but they don't realize what impact it's having and then how to make decisions around that. So you broke down kind of the four types or four ways that we can talk through employee compensation.
Yeah, we talked about the different types, the most common types. We talked about taxes. That's everyone talks about taxes, what kind of different implications of that. What to do if you have a large percentage of your portfolio is in this company stock, and then questions to ask yourself, like how much should I own of the stock? So stuff you have to listen to the episode to hear more.
Yeah, I think if you have a highly appreciated position of this stock, right? That was one of the questions we talked through, because that's probably one that a lot of people skip over, I think, and how you handle that. So you want to talk through but just the basic decisions of what you want to think through there.
Yeah, you want to get a sense of what percentage it is of your net worth, how comfortable you are, what happens if the stock declines, what kind of tools can you put in place to help diversify your risk. We talked about 4 or 5 ways to do that. So there's a number of different questions, which we talk about at the end of the episode, but it helps kind of you better understand, are you making the right decisions with your stocks or with your company stock?
Yes. So we talked through the ESPP option. You can directly own the stock, which happens afterwards a lot of times with these programs. The restricted stock option, and then also good old-fashioned stock options.
The first one to start. Yeah, so we walk through each one, what they are, tax implications, and then strategies for each.
Right. So we spent about 30 minutes talking through this because there's a lot of different decision points that you need to understand, and many times breaking out all the different types, and then the length of time that you have to potentially own those. That can impact a lot of these decisions and how it relates with the rest of your portfolio. So you can listen to the whole episode. We'll have that on our website. You can reference that below if you're watching us on a site that's not our website. But otherwise, we'd love to hear any questions you have on that, and happy to answer those. And then we'll talk to you in 2 weeks.
Thanks, everyone.